now we're a little off. Turn your head this way. And this way. Back to the position. Lift this leg for me. And the other one. A little hard on that side, isn't it? Deep breath. Let it out. That was needed. All right. Lay on the side facing just a little bit more. Looks good. Good. Now let's go face down one more time. Lift this leg up. Is that better?
Yes.
Good. Oh yeah, you back in business. Good to go.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Y'all killed the trials today, okay?